Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mo from Top Tech Media. Welcome to another episode. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe. I do technology reviews as well as media to help you grow on your YouTube channel. So on today's episode, I have something called a macro ring flash. Now, lighting is very important in any videos of YouTube that you record. As you can see or probably can tell, my lighting in the room is not as powerful as other YouTubers that use like softboxes or ring lights and various other types of lighting there is in the market. Now this is called a Samatian Macro Ring Flash RF550D. So I'm going to open it up and talk alongside with the video to tell you and explain to you what are the difference in the lightings and what you can get for how much you can get it for. To begin with, this is for a Canon DSLR. So if you are using a Canon camera or Sony camera, this one fits right on top of your lens or right in front of your lens. It comes with different fitments, so you can screw probably one of these adapters on your lens and you can fit this right on top of it. So it does come with quite a few adapters for different types of cameras. Now there are various others on the market, like the big ring lights that like makeup artists or you know, the beauty channels they use. You can use soft boxes which come in square or under the umbrella ones. They are quite expensive compared to this simple one. So I thought I'd go for this one, test it out, let you guys know what you think about it. Let me know in the comment section below if it has improved. If it hasn't improved, I'm definitely going to get a bigger one, but for the time being this will do. So straight out from the box, let's see what comes in it. So we've got an instruction manual. Okay, so we've got some adapters as I was explaining earlier. So if you do have like a Sony or a Canon or a Nikon or you know, a Coolpix or different type of cameras, these adapters will screw right into your lens and that will fit on top. They also give you 3 diffusers. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can purchase one of these. They are quite cheap. I think they're roughly around $30 odd or something like that, so it's about 20 odd quid. I'm here in the UK, so I paid something like £20 or just over that. So it comes with a clear white, I say clear white, but a white diffuser, a cooling blue diffuser, and a amber yellowish diffuser, so it gives you that warm effect. Now we'll go through it one by one. To begin with, let's have a look what else comes in. So it comes with a stand, I should have said. Now another thing to bear in mind is these ring flashes are more to do with close-up. So something like this, it's not too bad, but a face-to-face, for example, I'm talking to you right now, if I didn't have this table and you're a lot more closer, this is the perfect one for that. Or if you're taking a close-up picture, it's great for those. So you'll need some 4 AA batteries for this. Okay, so this is a 58mm lens, so that's going to go straight onto the camera. I'll need some batteries. So the next clip that you will see, it's going to be with the ring light on. So before I do that, I'll power this device on so you can see how it looks before I put it on, and then after I put it on. It's got a pilot mode, so it gives you a flash, a mode to show you you can have left side and right side on. Also it's got an on-off switch as well as the main light itself, and you can adjust the lighting with the left and the right arrows. And also, as I was explaining earlier, this, if you rotate it around, you can see all it's got 48 SMD LED bulbs inside here, so it's going to be super bright, and these adapters can go straight on top. So to begin with, I'm going to try this one on and see how that goes. So they pop in like so, and hopefully I'm going to power it on, and hopefully I'm not going to blind anybody. And there you are. So let's have a look. Wow, that makes a big difference, doesn't it? Okay, so So that's how it looks. I'm sure you guys can tell on the camera. That's super bright. That's how it would look on my face. So let's go for this clear one over here. Wow. So it looks a lot more better now, because obviously this is a clear plastic. So if you are wanting a lot more power, this will shine straight through this one. Let's go for the amber warm color and put this on, and let's have a look how that looks. Wow. So that's a warm color. Yeah. I'm not too sure about this. This makes it look a bit vintage maybe, but let's switch it up again and show you another one. So that's on. Let's put this on. Wow, I like that. Wow, that looks cool. This is how that looks. So this is how it would look with the ring flash on. I don't know what you can see, if there's a big amount of difference, but I'm staring straight into the lens. At the moment it's quite in your face, so it feels like quite blinding, but even then it's giving me a nice light. It is giving me a bit of a shadow. So if you do have stuff like soft boxes and stuff like that, you can have one on the right, one on the left, and that eases the lights as well, so you got a lot more brightness and less shadows. So right now that's how it looks. I'm going to switch it up to this one over here, because that's quite strong in the eyes, and see how that looks. Okay, so I switched it over to the with the diffuser, the white diffuser, and it's a lot more softer through the eyes, and you can actually stare straight into the lens, and you can actually see the writing of the lens. With this one, when I put it on, it was blurring my eyes, so I couldn't see anything at all. So this is a lot more clearer, that I can see at the camera lens, because it's very important that you can focus in the lens as well. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Like I said, I'll provide a link in the description box below, and make sure you subscribe, because I'll be doing a lot of giveaways coming up soon for stuff like gaming headsets, gaming mouse, USB data cables and stuff like that, and earphones and so on and so forth. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't miss out. And if you don't win a giveaway, don't unsubscribe. If you're going to unsubscribe, don't subscribe in the first place, but make sure you subscribe, because I'll be doing a lot more videos. So hopefully that was a nice simple video, and I'll catch you on the next vlog. Peace out.